Okay, so up here on the roof, I'd like to walk around and talk about a few things. Of course, as soon as I try to record, the wind picks up, so it's kind of windy. But anyways, the main type of roofing on this house is rubber. Um, so I think that the rubber part of the roof is looking like it's in good shape. My issue is with some of the terminations. So like for example, when I say termination, I mean where it's terminated along the wall here. So you can see that this would be like the neighbor's house, and it's just some metal here that somebody put roofing tar on it at some point, or some sort of asphalt coating. But the issue is, because of that, you can see gaps here, okay? And like especially here. So now this, I don't think was ever fastened properly, or it came loose. Because I mean, I can get my finger back there, so. And we got the same issue I'll show you down below. But yeah, water's definitely going to be able to get back in there. Also, the roof should be glued fast to the substrate, or the rubber should be glued fast to the roof below. You can see that it's not here. It's sort of shrunk, or was cut short. I'm not really sure what happened, but that can cause issues. So yeah. Chimney, so there's actually two chimneys. I believe this is the one that's in use because it has a liner in it. But what I'm worried about is, one, water getting in the top here, so this not being capped off, and then you also have, they have a crack here, loose mortar joints, signs of past repair. So that's a real good way that water can get in house and cause damage down below. So here's just more of that that issue I was talking about with the termination of the rubber up against the neighbor's house. The rest of the rubber looks good. I didn't really have any issues, besides it's like a little bit loose in some places, but it's mostly at the termination against the wall. So I'm gonna hop down and take a look at the rest. Okay. So yeah, I'm not sure if this chimney is in use, but that cap that was on there is rusted through. And then this chimney had been parged with mortar at some point, but it's since now deteriorating and falling off. You can see there's holes here. Here's a spot that was repaired with tar. So the thing about these chimneys is, both of them, this one here behind me and this one up here, they're shared chimneys. So it's kind of like, what do you do? Do you get with the neighbor, ask them to work on it together, or you just do half of it? So I'll point out here because this is sort of the flashing on this roof here. But this aluminum around this window, water can get in there, get behind there, get behind the roof here. So I might need some attention. All right, so Grab my ladder and lay it here so I don't have to come back out on the roof again. Okay. So out front here, yeah, there really wasn't too much to see. This looked good out front here. It's actually down the second floor roof. On the front porch. Okay, so first thing you can see here is that this rubber is sort of loose here. Okay, but there's no termination bar here at all, and because of that, the only thing that's holding it on to the stone is glue. Unfortunately, that glue doesn't really hold too well to the stone, nor does this lap seal here. So yeah, that can be an issue going forward. So, you know, the thing about rubber is it lasts a really long time. You know, 40, 50 years, but has to be installed correctly. If it's not installed correctly, you know, it's just you're gonna get leaks anyways. So, same over here, no termination bar. This is termination bar. This silver stuff basically just holds it to the wall, and then you have a good place to caulk along to seal that off. So so yeah, you know, decent roof. Gonna need a little bit of attention to make sure that it lasts a long time and without any leaks. But yeah, that's gonna do it for now.